This is Chris Schlarb with Big Ego, and today we're going to demo the studio's Universal Audio 1176 LN compressor, a legendary piece of equipment found in studios all over the world for the last almost 50 years. It was originally designed in 1967 and remains unchanged for the most part. There's a lot of different revisions, but the nuts and bolts are the same. The design's the same. The sound is pretty damn close. What we're going to do today is we're going to listen to this track. This is SOS, which was recorded here at Big Ego for my project, Chris Schlarb and Psychic Temple. We have Steuart Liebig playing electric bass, so we're going to solo him out here. Now, I record all of my bass direct. I learned my lesson using bass cabs and microphones a long time ago. Right now, we just have the bass running just through the 1176 with no compression at all. And we have it on a slow attack, fast release. Now we'll engage a 4-to-1 ratio. Now, the interesting thing about the 1176 is that it has input and output transformers, so it imparts a certain heft or a certain harmonic overtone to whatever is running through it. The other thing is it does not have a traditional threshold. The threshold is coupled to the input amount. So the less input, as you see, the less compression that takes place. And then you could increase the output as your makeup gain. So the more we increase the input, the more compression is going to take place. One of the things I'm going to show you real quick is a great way to get some dirty sounds out of it, which is actually not that hard to do. We're going to do all buttons in. Increase the input. I mean, listen to that. That's beautiful. Little fuzz bass. Put this in with the rest of the mix. Little Chris Squire growl. Steuart's a legendary bassist in his own right, of course. So real quick, I'm gonna swap this out, put this on the snare drum so you can hear what that sounds like. So this is all buttons in on the snare. Let's solo the snare out. Just slammed, distorted, beautiful sounding. And that's a quick demo of the Universal Audio 1176 at Big Ego.